What's up, everybody? Zay with Zay's Crescent City Car Wash Reviews here. We're coming at you with another car wash video today. This is at the Exxon off of Vets on the Causeway.
Can you see the sign?
Yeah.
That says stop.
It's gonna tell you when, dude.
Keep going.
Keep going. Did you gonna hear the horn? The horn. There's the throttle. Keep going. Keep going. There, stop it. Good. And we have Rain-X too.
What does it say?
Starting. Tire cleaner. There's your tri-foam.
Should I stop here?
Yeah.
Wait, I'm backing up. No, I'm
No,
going
leave it, Ed.
forward.
We're recording, Dad.
Forward.
We're recording, man.
Just messing with you.
I know, bro. Good coating of tri-foam,
Yeah,
dude.
man, that's a pretty decent
Look.
coat there.
Yeah.
I mean, I've seen thicker.
Yeah, and considering, and not only that, considering the laser wash across the street's out of service,
Yeah.
that's really the only option around here from a low gas fee. What look at the
I
receipt?
don't know.
I think 15 for the top, which isn't bad. And I mean,
Plus we got
what,
60 cents off.
we got 60 cents off a gallon of gas too. And those are the brushes. Yeah, this is a newer style foam bright by Ryko. And the brushes too.
Windshield wiper back.
Yeah, and it's already broken anyway. Keep in mind. No, it's been like that. Just remember. Just point that out. It's been like that.
Stop. Okay,
Yeah.
you can stop pointing out.
Brenda,
Be quiet, man.
Brenda, we're recording.
Here's the top. There's the wheel scrubbers. They're scrubbing the wheels too.
Oh, they
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's shaking.
I don't like that.
There's the back.
You filmed me.
No, ma'am. Now, look, see, there's the laser wash I was telling y'all about across the street. It's out of service.
We're still down.
I'm not quitting you. I just told you. I'm not putting it on camera. I'm just showing the car wash in the back. Plus, my lens was facing the other way.
It's a nice soft little brush.
Yeah. If I'm on to that side. It's your first foam bright too, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. But other than that, I mean, it's like a yeah, it's a good cycle too. No, then leave it. And we have the we have on board Ryko slimline dryers. We have on board. So the dryer's on out right here. And if they had the Thrust Pro dryer, you would see it come down right here.
We did receive a
There's the rinse.
wash.
And it's gonna do also that's the Rain-X, but it's spot free rinse mix.
This right here.
Then you're gonna hear the air dryers come on.
So if it rains, it should beat up.
It's gonna beat up on it. See, that's new right there. That's something new I didn't even notice. Because on Google Street View, when I was scouting this one, that wasn't there on Google Street View.
What wasn't it?
That's on. This is new. Like they just added that apparently.
Right, when they put the new system in.
Yeah, when they put the new system in.
It don't look new.
No, it doesn't look new. It looks like it was refurbished, like rebuilt. Well, please be quiet, man. She's falling over the wall. There's your wax.
Brenda. Oh, Brenda. Look at the rain.
All we gotta do is get to the mechanic after.
We're gonna be late.
Right
on time.
Be quiet, man. I'm recording, remember?
Damn, here it comes.
That's the clear coat now, I think. It's gonna tell you when. You have the motor? Shh. There's the dryers. Now you gotta sit here. You gotta sit here for the dryers. They're not outside, they're on the machine. No, the machine's gonna move and dry you off. See, look, it's bleeding off the water. See?
Yeah.
It's bleeding off the water.
I ain't worried a crap because when it's trying to dry my car, it's spraying water on.
Yeah, it's rinse drying too. It's bleeding the water off like rinse drying.
The valve is not seating
Right, it
properly
doesn't
on that nozzle right there because it shouldn't be putting out water. The back, the blow dryers are.
Look, it stopped now.
Did it? Okay, you see.
That's what it was doing, bleeding it off.
Maybe that was for a purpose.
Yeah, maybe that was for a purpose.
Look at this. Yeah, right
Yeah,
there.
it didn't start
Some old school. It's an old school Ryko system here. Old school. This is the second generation of the fifth gen of the second gen. Yeah, it is a newer style, like the original style, older ones like this.
What they took out.
Yeah, but this is better than what they took out. In other words, yeah. But I'd love to see that laser wash across the street come back into service eventually. But knowing them, they might end up replacing it because of how old it is. One day we'll have to do a visit over there and check up on it and see if it's even running.
You're gonna better put our AC back.
Yeah, go ahead. We got the air conditioner on. Look how thorough it's drying too, dude. Freaking dryers are powerful, huh? That's amazing. No, we're not yet, Mom. It's not time.
We're backing up.
No, we're not. Look,
I'm trying to back up to that.
quit making a walk off the wall, dude.
Hold on, this piece is loose over here.
It's a little plastic trim.
That thing coming on, bro. That can blow one out long. See,
It's just a screw.
This ain't brand new.
It's old.
Showing the whole sides opening up. See the screws that's supposed to be holding it?
Yeah.
Forget that, man.
Look at that junk. See that?
See them screws right here that should be holding this plate up.
Yeah.
That plate will fall down to somebody's car.
Yes, that's the newer Ryko logo too. So that's the newer logos. That tells you.
That's it, huh?
That's it. We're good to go. Thank y'all.